Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Elden Ring remembrances. First, understand that remembrances are special items dropped by major bosses. Duplicating them allows you to acquire both boss weapons or spells from a single remembrance. This is incredibly useful for build variety or if you made a mistake in your initial choice. We'll cover where to find the necessary structures and how to perform the duplication. To duplicate a remembrance, you'll need to find a walking mausoleum. These colossal structures roam various regions of the lands between. There are two types, those with bells and those without. Mausoleums with bells can duplicate any remembrance, including those from major bosses. Those without bells are limited to duplicating remembrances from non-shard-bearer bosses. Once you locate a walking mausoleum, you need to bring it to a halt. Target the glowing skull-like deposits on its feet and attack them until the mausoleum kneels. Be cautious, as some mausoleums can stomp or attack. After it settles, enter through the open doorway. Inside, you'll find an altar where you can choose which remembrance to duplicate. Remember, each walking mausoleum can only be used one time for duplication, so choose wisely. There are a limited number of mausoleums in the game, so prioritize the remembrances that offer items most beneficial to your build. This strategy ensures you maximize your rewards from challenging boss encounters. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.